In this lecture, we will learn how to edit and delete features. So let's take this model and start editing the features. Here in the design tree, you're going to see the 3 active features that were used to build up this model. Let's say we want to edit the boss extrude feature. So I'm going to go to the boss extrude feature on the design tree, right click and go to the top. There's a button that says edit feature, click on it. And then we're going to get this window right here. Here is the distance which we determined before as 5 inches. I can edit that distance to be whatever value I want. So I'm going to increase it to 7 inches. And you see, as we increase the distance, the preview of the extrude increases as well. So I have it as 7 inches. I'm going to click OK. And that's it. We have just edited the boss extrude feature from 5 inches to 7 inches. Let's go ahead and try editing another feature. Let's say I'm going to edit the fillet feature. Again, I can go to the fillet in the design tree, right click, go to edit feature, click on it, and again I'm gonna get this window. Say I want to do the following. First, I want to change the radius of the fillet to 0.4 inches. So I'm going here and change that to 0.4 inches. And now you see the preview, the fillet increased. Another thing I want to change is the face of the fillet. Now I have the fillet in the top face and in the bottom face. Let's say I want to delete the bottom face. So I can click on face 2, and you can see if I click on it, it highlights the bottom face. I can right click and choose delete. And now we have edited the fillet to 0.4 inches and we have removed the bottom face from the fillet. I'm going to click OK and we have done editing. Let's say I want to edit a sketch that we used to create a feature. So I'm going to go to the boss extrude feature and I'm going to expand it. And then here you're going to see sketch 1. This is the sketch we used to create the boss extrude feature. If you click on it, you're going to see it's that box we created. So I can right click on the sketch and then I can go to edit sketch. And say I want to change this distance from 5 inches to 7 inches. I can double click on the 5 and in the box I can change it to 7. And I can click OK. And now you see the sketch have changed. I can click OK, exit sketch. Notice that because we changed the sketch, the feature built up on that change. Now let's move toward deleting features. Say I want to delete the cut extrude feature. I can simply go to the feature on the design tree, right click, and then choose delete. So if I delete this, I'm going to get a confirmation message, and then I can say yes, and now we have deleted the feature. Notice that we only deleted the feature. The sketch which we used to create the feature is still there. When you create multiple features and sketches, each feature and sketch is based on what's before it. So what happens if we delete a base feature? Let's go ahead and try doing that. So I'm going to boss extrude feature, which is a base feature. I'm going to right click and delete. We do get the same window. However, notice this here. SolidWorks is telling you that you're going to delete this boss extrude feature and also all the dependent items, which are the second sketch which we used for the cut extrude feature. If I choose yes, notice in the design tree we've deleted almost everything with the exception of the first sketch.